So I'm Pierre Verkest. I work as a freelance, and I'm going to show you a few modules regarding attendance that I have developed for a small French company which is called Gravure Industrie. There are 10 persons doing publishing, desktop publishing, working with illustrators and other softwares. Marie-Claire is the boss, which use check-in, check-out for employees, and asked me to do it on Odoo version 14. When I start the project, I haven't seen that in version 15 and 16, Odoo implements a concept of overtime, which is not the same I have published under the OCA. So when I start the project, I had a look into the attendance repository, and I developed those two modules, Azure attendance overtime and Azure attendance validations, that I have based on other modules present in this repo. Attendance autoclose will finalize attendance that employees forgot to check out. There is a cron which close automatically the attendance. Attendance reasons will add some information on that line, and if it's closed by the cron, you're gonna see it with this module. And also tracking modification lets know when time have been changed by user afterwards. So for compogravure, they works 35 hours a week, each employees, and basically the time you configure in Odoo, it's 7 hours per day. But the thing is, employee can come with in a flexible range. So we had to put those informations. So in the standard resource, this is come from a technical working times where you can you can declare different timesheets, work times for that you link on your employees. So we had some configurations here to be able to say employee can leave between 4:30 to until 5:45 to So employees have a contract for 35 hours and can work more with the same price until 160 hours per year. And it's the manager who decide if employees can do overtime or extra times. So we also add the notion of overtime. So in this project, overtime is the time after the flexible time where user can leave or start to work. So by default, we decide that overtime is not due by the company, but if the manager asks the user to do that time, it can go to the attendance line and check the checkbox to give the time to the employee. So the goal for the employee is to get 35 hours a week by default. So we had to give feedback to the user what's the time, how long he works on the week. So we had the time of the week on the checking forms, and we also add the time, the starting time and time of each range he can do, with a message that you can configure in the attendance reasons. If you, for instance, if you are still working a bit late, you tell the user that you should break to work and go home. So after that, I'm gonna just show you on the Odoo interface. Each week's manager is going to validate the time employees have done. So we have a cron job, a task that generate automatically line for each employees. So if you are coming here on the Monday morning, you have the list of all employees for the week before that is already created. So if you have change in holidays or in attendance, you can retrieve the last change from this button. And here, basically, you can see all the attendance of the user and his holidays, and you get a complete view of what he did. And if you want, for instance, you can say, okay, this overtime, because he worked from after the day. As manager, I want to use this time. So the user have worked 3 hours more than 35 because there is 3 days off and 17 hours works. So as manager, I can change if I want, before generate compensatory hours, I can change this time. And let's say I want to give a bit more. I don't know why. I can validate the timesheet, and it generates compensatory hours for day off that user can then use in a time off module. Probably I missed some configuration to get it here, but employees can see the result of the validation sheet once it is validated, and there is a bit less information here, just the result of the total time works, and that's it. And for the moment, we use the standard pivot view to make sure we don't give more than 160 hours to the user, and if we do more, we have to pay more the employee for each hour. So this work is the overtime module is already merged in share attendance. This module is waiting some reviews from you, and that's it. So managing times, a project with times can be complicated from the point of view of management, but for this project was pretty easy because user already have to check in and check out with another systems, and Marie-Claire managed this part of for the management of the employees. So the module was pretty well accepted, and they can get compensatory hours, which is great to see also as a manager to I don't remember to say thanks to the employee, to give thanks to the company. So thanks to OCA contributors who give reviews, and the organization today. And if you have any questions.
Do you use this system with any external device? Like how do you clock it? Can you use with, have you any experience using with biometrics device or something?
No, I have no experience with that. Where user basically check in and check out with they all have an access to the Odoo, so they use this form to check in and check out. Thank you very much. Oh, yes.
Where do you set the extra cost for extra hours? How do you set that?
What?
On the employee, is it?
Well, actually, when you spend more than 100, well, no, this is not managed yet, because they do not. They try to not do more. Yes.
Is there any link between this and the timesheet application?
No. There is no link between timesheet and attendance. I think there is some modules in the OCA to try to at least to get the difference, to see what in the given attendance, what the employee have done, but we don't use it. And thank you very much.